Cut myself, watch. Definitely not an Apple box. There we go. All right. Come on now. Oh my. This is the Insta360 ONE RS, the 1-inch sensor, co-engineered with Leica. Ooh, it's heavy. Wow. All right, I didn't expect it to have this much weight to it, to be honest with you, compared to the, what's the other one? The X2. Yeah, the Insta360 ONE X2. This thing. Okay. Image stabilization, waterproof, take 360-degree photos. What is it? I think it's a 24 megapixel camera. All that and the bag of chips. Ooh-wee. My Google Street View photos, it's gonna be off the chain now. How to disassemble? I don't want to disassemble it just yet. Push the lock. Don't need no instructions. We don't read instructions. Flow state stabilization. Yeah, so I got the entire not only the camera, but all of the invisible sticks too. So I got, oh, this one first, the all-purpose tripod. Shouts out to Insta360 for sending this over pretty quick. Shipped all the way from China. Got here in about 4 days. Wow, again, build quality is amazing. All right, this is definitely also got a little bit of something to it. Okay, I see. Oh, let me put that so y'all can see that. Let me get all this other stuff out of the way. Extendable legs on the tripod. One section is extendable, which is perfect. Love it. Bam. Yeah. 1/4-20 mount at the top, so multifunctional, not just for this camera, but I can also drop my DSLR. Oh my goodness, my mirrorless camera, my ZV-E10 or my Sony A7 IV with the quick connect Ulanzi connection, so I can use this as well. I'm trying to minimize and simplify the workflow and stuff when I go out on sessions. So shouts out to that for being definitely a part of it. So that's the tripod, and this is the invisible stick. This is where all the magic happens, kinda, right? You attach this. As you're filming, the invisible stick actually does not show in your video creation, right? So it's invisible. This does not extend. Pull up the top to extend. Pull up the top. Oh, man, see, again, this is not, whoa. Let me pull it so y'all can see that. That's off the hook there, and that's, let me give you a little better angle. I'm gonna be walking around like this, y'all. I'm gonna be hitting folks in the head with my invisible stick. But look at that, that's dope, right? Again, build quality is something that can't be misstated, misunderstood, and taken for granted. This is definitely a good feeling device. So, you know, you spend the kind of coin that you do for this particular camera, 1/4-20 at the bottom as well. So extensibility from that perspective. Boom. So what I'm gonna be doing, taking a tripod, mounting the invisible stick, using the app, setting the camera up to take 360-degree panorama and 360-degree photos of any environment that I'm in. So that's going to be an amazing addition to the workflow and to what I'm doing. Just coming out. It's not even fully released. I don't know if it's on Amazon yet. I don't know if it's available on some of the retailers like Best Buy or anything of that nature, but it's starting to trickling out now. Insta360.com. I'll put a link in the bottom of this video so you can check out this new action cam, which is really, I've come back to them, right? I was using GoPros for a while. I'd have a GoPro for like 24 hours. Never did like the cases and all of the containers that you'd have to wrap it in to make it waterproof, to make it more available to mount on different locations. But this right here is going to serve as the exact purpose of what I need. Boom, I'm going out to an event. I can take that photo of the environment, 24 megapixel right there. I can take 4K or 6K. 6K 360-degree video. Come on now. Here, let's do this. Don't want to scratch up anything. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. Just thought I'd get on here, do a quick impromptu video. Let's do this. Oh, wrong screen. This, yeah. So this is the one I'm rocking with. Brand new. That joint right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Also, the head unit comes off, so I don't want to break it. See, what happens if I push? I should probably read the instructions then. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna read the instructions before I start taking stuff apart. Dual 1-inch sensors on both sides. So yeah, the first 360-degree camera from Insta360 with two 1-inch CMOS sensors. Ooh, man, it's gonna be off the chain. First place I'm gonna use this is in Dallas. Podcast movement. Going out there, hang out with the community, hanging out with your folks. We're gonna do some live on the scene, on location sets. Can't wait. Can't wait. There it is, 21 megapixel, 360-degree photos. Raising the level, man. Low light, capable. Yep. That right there was huge right there, the stabilization. But the one thing that really got me is, where's it at? These are all the accessories. This auto reframing capability. The fact that I can just take video, don't necessarily have to have my subject directly in the frame that I want, so that has to be perfect. I can come back and post and I can automatically reframe everything because again, it's a 6K image or 6K video. So I've got all of that sensor power. I've got all of that data for the image or for the video that I can work with, so I can automatically reframe my video sessions and make it look pristine in the exact way that I want. So that's going to be huge. I don't have to be perfect the first time out there. I can be out there instantaneously, right on the spot, get the content that I need. Come back in the studio, fire up the laptop, boom, and get the content out there that is necessary. So yes, I will put a link to this device and all of the accessories that I got with my kit. I got the developer's kit again with the invisible stick, camera, how big was this? 64 gig memory card. That'll work. I got some other ones, some bigger ones as well, and then also with the tripod that has the telescoping legs. Got to do it. It costs a little bit, but you guys know me. Every time I say you get what you pay for. Y'all be good. Just wanted to get on here real quick, do a quick unboxing, and share that with the fam. Take care now.